All right, welcome back to Heavy Metal Restorations. On the last video, I had did a little shop tour, talked about each car, but never really give a reason to why I wanted to start this or what is the reason behind that. So I thought I'd give you a little foundation on the reasons why. So probably about 3 years ago, my niece came to me and basically said, hey, look, you work on all these cars, you got all this experience, all this knowledge. She thought it'd be a really good idea to start videotaping this and create a channel, and so other people could take a look and maybe get an idea on how to do things maybe a little differently that's just not out there in the public. So that is the reasoning I started it. As you can tell, just save a few videos, just getting off the ground, trying to get some content created for everybody. And the other thing is too, that all the cars that I showed you in the previous video, those are all mine. I do this stuff for myself. And then what usually happens, and has happened a number of times, I'll finish a car, everything is good, I might be on a project, and lo and behold, I might see something that, man, I'd really like to have that vehicle or that type of vehicle. And that has happened. So within the next 3 to 4 weeks, I'm gonna let one go out of the herd here. Actually, let me just walk up here. I'm gonna turn the camera and let you take a look at that. That Lincoln Continental over there, right there. That is the one that is going to be leaving. And I'm gonna give you a clue, a little hint on what's coming in, if you can guess it. And this is the hint. Let me get a little closer. This is a drum clock that this particular vehicle doesn't have. So I saw it on eBay and I thought I'd purchase it. So I'll have a clock for it. And it'll be all good. So hopefully things will come about by the end of this month. You'll see what's rolling into the door here, and the 63 Lincoln will be going out. Now, with that being said, let me just tell you what's going on with the Lincoln right now. The brake lines, the power steer, rebuilt the power steering pump, all fuel lines, rebuilt the fuel pump, body work, paint, interior is done. Chrome, I didn't have any chrome done on it. It's decent. It's going to be a super nice driver for somebody. And let me just kind of take you over there. Let me show you what's going on, what I'm doing. And I'll just give you a quick tutorial, so to speak, on what I do and how I do it. So hopefully you can hear me all right. And this is the 63 Lincoln. I am wet sanding and polishing the car. The sides I have got all done, and working on obviously the top of the fenders, the hood, and then I will go ahead and finish up the roof and then the deck lid. So what's nice about this is you use a different type of clear, and it laid down so good that my process with regards to wet sanding has changed quite a bit on this particular vehicle. Wasn't a lot of dirt in the paint, or I should say in the clear. Obviously it had some orange peeling, so a good friend of mine from Brandon Auto Connection, Will, has been a great help on that car. Told me, hey, look, here's what you should do. Take a look at the panel, go over the panel, and if you got any little, what we call nubs, right? Maybe a little dirt, maybe a little bug, take 1,000, because it lays out so nice, take 1,000 grit, take that out, and then go ahead and take the panel, wet sand 1,500. So I wet sanded 1,500, I wet sanded 2,000, and then I took 3,000 on a DA and wet sanded the panel. Then I went to polishing, right? And 3 different types of compounds, from not super rough, but a compound that removes scratches, then another lighter compound for scratches and swirls, and then the final buff, so to speak, to give the final gloss. So Anyway, that's what's going on in heavy metal restorations today, or tonight, I should say. Going to finish up polishing the hood, get on the deck lid, and get that done. I'll show you another picture of that. And in between all this, I'm going to be learning how to edit and all this stuff that's all new to me. And hopefully you'll join me. So go ahead and click that subscribe and like button, and we'll see you next time.